Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy PRVX tokens by using Old Glory Pay on the Coast platform. Before we actually buy PRVX, here's why people are even paying attention to it. It's built around what's called deflationary tokenomics. All that really means is, over time, there's supposed to be less of the token available. And the way PRVX does that is by tying usage back into the token. So when people use the token and fees get generated, those fees don't just disappear. They're designed to interact with the token in a way that can reduce supply. The main idea is that more usage creates more pressure on the token, which causes less supply over time. If more people are using it while the supply is shrinking, that can push the value up. But that only works if people are using it. And because of that, it's a token on PulseChain that people are watching very closely. As more people use it and supply gets reduced, the price has room to move up quite a lot over time. Alright, let's get into how to actually buy it. First, you'll open up your browser and head to app.0xcoast.com. Then either sign in or create an account. Once you're logged in, make sure that your wallet is connected. Find and click the Deposit and Withdraw tab on the left. You should be met with the Old Glory Pay deposit option immediately. Scan the QR code and log into the Old Glory Pay app. You can use your regular security credentials or enable biometrics for improved security. Then click the Select Transfer button. Next, click on the To or From option. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter a username within the Old Glory Pay system. Search for Coast and make sure to select the business option. Go ahead and enter the amount you wish to deposit and make sure to include your unique memo provided on the deposit page of the Coast app. Click Pay, then confirm the transaction. You'll see a success message once it's complete. Once you're finished on the Old Glory app, you'll see your USD balance in the Coast dashboard. To use it to buy PRVX, go to the Buy and Sell tab on the left. For this example, we will use $5 USD. Select the PRVX icon in the drop-down menu, then click Check Price. Once the price appears, click Buy. After that, you'll see a pop-up that says Buy Initiated. After a short processing period, you will see the PRVX in your wallet. Find PRVX and more PulseChain assets today at app.0xcoast.com.